The angel was an English gold coin introduced by King Edward IV in 1465. A version of the coin had been used in France more than 100 years before this under King Philip VI and later Louis XI, and featured an image of St. Michael. A version of the coin was also used under Henry VI, who was King of England from 1422 until 1461, and for some of that time also the disputed King of France. It's complicated. He ruled bits of France, but the Angelot coin, minted in Paris, nicely sums up the history, showing both the arms of France and England. The English version had a value of 6 shillings and 8 pence when it was first introduced, and it also featured a depiction of Archangel Michael on the obverse, this time showing him slaying a dragon, kind of like the original version of Game of Thrones or The Hobbit. Actually, it's a retelling of the Bible. According to the Book of Revelations, Michael led God's armies against Satan, who is represented by the dragon. The other side, the reverse of the coin, shows a ship at sea with arms and rays of sun at the masthead. The coin changed value over time and through different reigns, and a half angel featuring the same design was also introduced. But it finally went out of circulation in the 17th century when Charles II introduced milled coins, struck by machine rather than hand. It was at that point, in 1663, that the guinea became the gold standard coin. Many folk back in the Middle Ages believed the angel coin had magical powers and could cure the disease of scrofula. Just the touch of the monarch could bring about the cure, and the sufferers would be presented with an angel coin as part of the ceremony. Apparently, the coin was so iconic, many English pubs were named after it, including the Angel Inn in Islington, London, which explains why the area, including the tube station, is known as Angel. So want an angel coin? You're going to need about £1,000 at least, but if you want a nice specimen, you'll need to start saving. Auctioneers Dix Noonan Webb sold a half angel for £34,000 in 2017. The coin had been found in the field and is just one of a few known to have been minted during the brief reign of Richard III. Too much? Well, there is a modern version. The Isle of Man produce an angel coin each Christmas, which can cost from around £75 for the smallest version.